What's up, everybody? I'm going to show you guys how to tie the single strand star knot. I'm using about a 4-foot piece of cord and a super jumbo permalock needle. Alright, so to get started, let this side hang down. The one with the needle, let that hang down. Drop that. Now what you want to do is go to this side over here to the right, because I'm right-handed. So I move in about 12 to 14 inches, okay? Give it about 1 foot. Alright, once you get about 12 inches in, 14 inches in, you're going to form a bight like so. Okay, taking a shorter cord, you're going to wrap around just like that. Alright, okay. Now at this point, you're going to take the short end tip, run it straight down that hole right there. Okay, straight down that hole. Alright, now when you get it, the loop to about the same size as the other ones, you want to turn this to the side. Okay, easy way of doing it. And then stick this up. Okay, so what you should have is this. Alright, so ran it down the loop, got it tightened up a little bit, and you just turn this to the side. Okay, we're going to do the same thing again. So you're going to take this cord again, go down through that loop right there, and this repeats what we just did. Once you get the loop to where you want it at, take this and just turn it to the side. Okay, just like so, and then bring this up where it kind of lays flat underneath. And you can always adjust your cord to where it's not all lumpy whatnot and by twisting it. Okay, so you should have it looking like that. Alright, that's all you have to do for that part. Now once you get to this part here, this stays where it's at. You're going to take your needle side. Okay, this needs to be staying, straight out like that. Okay, now what you want to do here is you want to go up through this loop right here. Bring that up. Alright, and make sure when you bring it up through that loop, this cord goes under this one here and then comes up through this loop. Okay, tighten it up, cinch it real good. And then what you do here is you're going to take this now. This goes over these two and then back through this loop here. Okay, like so. Alright, this is what you should have so far. Okay, now at this point you're going to take this is going to wrap around, and this is going to form your 5th loop for the star. Okay, by doing so, you're going to take this through the center, underneath this one right here, and you're going to follow this cord right here. Okay, this is the cord that you want to follow. So take it through the center, poke out through the back and the center of the star knot, and then come up through this loop here. Okay. Alright, so basically you're just following this cord here, in between here, coming out of the center of the star knot in the back, and up through this loop here. I'm going to flip it over. See that? So you're just following that one. Alright, bring that all the way through. Alright. So, alright, once you do that, you're sticking out to the top of this loop here, right? Following this one right here. Come back down through this one here to where you are parallel on top with your starting cord. So what you should have is this right here. Alright, remember I told you this one here that you just ran through runs parallel to this one. Okay, that's the starting cord. Alright, and this one that you just ran through, following the same cord. Okay, which is this one right here. Okay. Alright. Part 1 over now.